One pharmacist don't raise alarm to the fake skin ointment wey people dey produce. The name of this product na Retin A. This pharmacy notice say this thing don dey peel small. Na there she come carry am say okay o. Make she kuku even peel am, read the details of this thing. Na there she come even notice say this cream in fact na totally different cream. Say this cream wey dey even sell as face ointment, the thing no even suppose use am for face. The thing wey come even worse pass for this whole matter na the cream don even expire. My people beg, make una follow me watch.
They use put something, and the funny thing is, what is inside is not even something that you're supposed to be rubbing on your face.
Jesus, they just wrap the paper.
See now.
Who did this kind of? They should arrest that kind of person.
See, like it's so wrong on all levels.
You see, your people will miss.
Permitting. Don't remove it fully. She still wants to return it. Even the permitting gun is expiring soon.
See, where did she buy it?
Abeg, which kind wickedness be this? Some people go know say products don't spoil, but still they go decide say they want dey sell am. All in the name of say they won't make money. See this one now, they can go find new rapper. Go rap this whole thing. If I talk to Nigerians, now we be our own problem. We no go believe. Because I dey very sad thing say, for them to go find rapper cover this, it means say they know. And this one not only end for this cream, even Nestle product. Their chocolate, kiss kit, I mean a Kit Kat. That one if we see and say, oh, don't, in fact, some don't spoil. They could just find nylon, use and take over this lip. I know some people go the think say, maybe we just want to spoil these people. They are no. If we not see them, we not go use our mouth to talk them. But make her show and make her just clear on her doubt. My people beg, make her follow me watch. This one they wrong now. Una no dey even pity on our consumers. And I no go reason say the people where they chop this thing, at least maybe something go happen to them. On our own, make na they produce, they make money. And I no go surprise say this one say maybe now all this Igbo boy on I know say they sabi do things in a way. Now them do baron. I mean I say call this drink, they fake am. I no go surprise say na themselves when they create this one. Because if na reason am now, a big company like Nestle go come stand so low, see the one they provide and produce fake things. Produce something wey don't expire. It don't make sense now. So me I don't reason and say if it be all these people, all these Nigerian boys, now then when they repackage all these products, when they do and like say now all these foreign products they do them. But I beg and now that making I find something to do about this one. Because this one now they happen, now they come aside. If now turkey from Cotonou now go down wear gia, say the turkey don't expire. But this one so real product we don't expire now on a no see and catch. I beg and making I find something to do. Before everybody inside Nigeria go chop poison, my people are hear this story as make I bring and come. Make na service in our ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I get to talk about this matter, make na don't forget to write and put inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video.